A tunnel built for a different time, bricks set in a twisted pattern to hold the weight of both heavy boats and the future. These canned coffees were left for those whose names are forgotten. Iron and rain, a hill that was too steep for boats to climb, until someone decided it had to be. A road made from blood and steel, a lifeline for a dying city. Reaching for the light, it wasn't just water flowing through these gates, it was hope. A city finding its breath again. Nanzen-ji. "700 years of silence in a world that moves so fast. Some things are meant to stay still." Red bricks in a green forest. Once the priests called it a monstrosity. Now it's a masterpiece. Old and new, finally finding peace together. History isn't just in books. It's in the rain, the stones, and the steps we take today. Kyoto is still speaking. Are we listening? So this was going to be about a little known history of Kyoto. I wanted to find out more about it, and so I took this little trip. I actually just got back from taking loads of Osmo 360 video footage in Okinawa, but that takes a while to edit, so I wanted to get this out. I kind of got inspired by another YouTuber to do something cinematic, and so I gave it a little shot. Anyway, if you're interested in learning like the history of this spot and the things that I learned about it, please let me know. It's mostly about the Meiji period, just in the very beginning of Meiji, and how Kyoto had to go through its transition from going from the capital, which it was for, I think, for 1,000 years, and going to become just a normal city because the emperor had moved to Tokyo. So anyway, this place was very important in helping Kyoto recover. So if you're interested in seeing that video, leave a comment and I will finish up the editing and upload that one as well. Thanks for watching.
Can't stop, won't stop, just like a rolling stone.